If you are a new Farm Day student and confused about syllabus and exam, this video will save your first year. Most Farm Day fresher waste the first semester because no one explained the syllabus clearly. After watching this video, you will know exactly what to study and how to pass Farm Day first year. I am also a Farm Day student, and I made this video because I faced the same confusion in my first year. And recently I am facing that. In this video, I will explain the complete Farm Day first year syllabus in simple language. So let's start without wasting the time. So firstly we started from the human anatomy. Scope of human anatomy and physiology in these topics are included with elementary tissues, human bodies and names and type of classification of joints and homeopathic system, cardiovascular system and respiratory system, endocrine system, reproductive system, digestive system and nervous system and sense organ, skeletal muscle and some sport physiology and in some cardiovascular system we will be studying like ECG, anatomy and blood vessel circulation, hypertension and hypotension. Respiratory we will study like transport of respiratory gases and all. That's all we studied in human anatomy. Let me talk about in like pharmaceutics. In pharmaceutics, we will be studying like doses forms and how to make like liquid doses forms and powder, incompatibilities, suppositories, glaciers and surgicals and pharmaceutical calculations. And now let me talk about like medicinal biochemistry. In medicinal biochemistry, we will be studying like in 12th we were studied already like biochemistry, which is carbohydrate, enzymes and lipid metabolic and proteins, amino acid metabolism. These we were studying in medicinal biochemistry. Now we will be talking about like inorganic and organic of pharmaceutics. In organic we will be studying like theory of resonance and nomenclature. These things we were studying already in 12th like electrophilic, nucleophilic, substitution, SN1 and SN2 reaction. These we will be studying in organic chemistry. And in organic chemistry we will be studying like antacid, acidifier, cathartics, non-aqueous titration and pharmaceutics aids. These are we can be studies from like Indian Pharmacopoeia book because it is better than all books. In Indian Pharmacopoeia, we will be studying like more procedure are given as other books we will not be good taken and in other books we have more reaction but in Indian Pharmacopoeia we don't have reactions. And we will be studying remedial biology and remedial mathematics. If you are taking in 12th like in PCMB or PCB, if you are taken PCM, then you will be studying remedial biology, and if you will be taken in 12th PCMB, then you will be studying remedial mathematics. It's easy math like differentiation and these also are in mathematics. These subjects look difficult, but actually it become easy if you will be study it in the right way. MD is not difficult, but lack of guidance make it difficult. If you will be study for just 1 to 2 hours, you can easily be pass. That's it for this today. Subscribe to this channel if you want more PharmD notes and Viva questions and exam tips. This channel is especially for PharmD freshers, so don't forget to subscribe. Which subject do you find most difficult in PharmD first year? And do you want a more video on important questions or Viva? Let me know in comment.